Before you say you're not available to a potential lead or inquiry, try this on Furnished Finder. This thing that I did on Furnished Finder is the essence of why we're in this space. It's the importance of being able to network. It's the importance of being able to work with other homeowners to foster a deeper relationship with those who are going to keep on giving. You never want to say no. You never want to bite the hand that feeds you. You want to be able to greet the hand that feeds you, shake the hands that feed you, so that you can continuously be able to be top of mind. So what is this one thing that you can do? Well, you've heard it before, and no, this is not some form of arbitrage or anything that you've probably heard online, because by the way, all these things work, but it's not that. I just want to preface by saying this, but it is a way that you can continue to stay top of mind when someone needs a property in your marketplace for them to continue to come back to you over and over again. And that is by solving a problem and being resourceful. Now, I recently was able to do this, and I thought it was an amazing solution to the problem. I was 100% occupied, and I had a relocation agency reach out to me. And that relocation agency, we work with them a lot. Shout out to them. They give us a lot of business, and I didn't want to just leave them hanging and say, no, sorry, I don't have anything for you. So what did I do? I did something that you can do as well. It doesn't cost you any money. It's completely free, 99. It just takes a little bit of your time and not a lot of it if you do it the right way. So I went ahead and looked based on the criteria that they were looking for in the area that I was not in. I didn't have anything for them, but I went on Furnished Finder and I looked and I messaged homeowners and I said this: you can take the script from me. I told them that there is an opportunity. Actually, here's how I actually prefaced it. I said that, hey, my name is Ruben. I own, or I manage, I operate, however you want to say it, whatever makes you comfortable. Make sure that you personalize this to yourself. You own, you operate, you run, you manage a temporary housing company, and currently all your properties are full in this specific area. So you thought you might reach out to, and you might look out for other availability on Furnished Finder to see how you can help this family in need. You say how many the family is, how many people, you say if there's a dog, you disclose all these things, and you reach out to them and you message them. And when you do message them, I ended up getting multiple replies because they know I'm a company, because I am. Even if you own one property, even if you're just getting started, even if you own no property, you are a business because you are in the business to serve a client in need. If you're currently getting value from watching this video, you'll want to make sure you take a second and click below to grab the midterm rental insurance blueprint to help accelerate your process in being able to land these midterm rental insurance contracts with respect to your marketplace. Make sure you click the button below and grab it, and continue on with the gems in this video. And that is a client who's looking to relocate. And therefore, I stated that, either I can connect you with the family and or the company that's representing the family. Keep in mind, there's relocation specialists, relocation agencies are representing the client. So you're making it clear that there's a chance that you might not just be you involved, there's gonna be the family involved, you involved, and potentially their party, because you are in the business of serving them, of serving your client, which is the relocation agency. And in order to keep it straight to the point, you let them know that this is a client that is in need of relocation in your area, and your property meets needs. When you get in touch with that homeowner, you have two ways to operate. You can say, hey, listen, this is a client that typically would stay at our property because we don't have anything. I'm happy to give a referral fee. I'm happy to connect you directly with the homeowner. Here's probably the terms that would work best. I've worked with this company in the past. And you teach them how they can actually, how much cleaning fee they should be charging, admin fee, etc. You get those terms aligned, and then you do a third-party intro, which is what I did. And then you let them know that you found another homeowner or another operator in the area that can help, even though you couldn't. That action right there goes a long way. I had the homeowner, not only did I have a conversation of how she should approach the proposal as well, she then reached out, she paid me the referral fee. And again, you have a good sense when you're working with someone who has integrity as well. So make sure you find people with integrity. You say, hey, by the way, just for this, while they might extend, we can do it one of three ways, one of two ways. I can do a one-time referral fee, and or I can help you walk you through the process where you would pay me a percentage of the monthly contract. And again, you can associate that. Make sure you do everything in your entity to protect yourself. This is not legal advice. This is just strategy advice, okay? Because there is an opportunity in the marketplace where you can take advantage of it. And most people are not taking advantage of it because they simply don't know that they can, and that they didn't have this perfect bulletproof, I should say. When I say bulletproof, I say that lightly, but I'm saying in a way that is harmless, a harmless reach out to someone to help someone. I mean, we're here to help. You're helping the family that's looking for relocation because you're not being selfish, you're being resourceful. You're helping the relocation specialist because you're essentially an extension to the job that they have to do. You're being resourceful and you're staying top of mind, which is probably the most important, because staying top of mind means that they will come back, just like this company has come back. And over time, if I think about how much this relationship has brought us, how much money and how much we've been able to help families on the other end of that as the beneficiaries, everybody wins, right? And I'm in the everybody wins business, and I'm in that asking who, not how, when I'm unable to do something, because that is the way the world goes, right? That is the way we can continue to be productive citizens of this world that we're in. Help each other, help someone else win, help yourself win, stay reputable in the industry and as a small industry. So now you have a hack that you can utilize on Furnished Finder. Make sure that, again, you always set expectations up front of whether you're doing a fee or not. Do not feel like it's not something that you can't mention. It is completely appropriate for you to name, have a referral fee, have some kind of structure up front so that you're not doing any pro bono work and that you're getting compensated for your time for being a resource within the marketplace. All right. If you got value from this video, make sure you check out my video called 4 Fees You're Not Charging that could boost your profitability in midterm rentals.